Thanks for joining me around the virtual telescope again. Last story for the weekly news roundup for February 5th, 2025. Martian storm clues. How dust storms slowly stole Mars's water. Here you can see an image of a Martian dust storm currently from ESA. Mars is long known as a dry, frozen desert world, but its surface still carries unmistakable evidence of rivers, lakes, and perhaps even ancient oceans. Pretty sure of that. One of the biggest mysteries in planetary science has been understanding exactly how the red planet lost so much of its water. A new study now shows that even relatively small localized dust storms may have played a bigger role than previously thought. Researchers studying a rare regional dust storm discovered that these storms can push significant amounts of water vapor high into the Martian atmosphere, far higher than climate models once predicted for that season. In some cases, the amount of water detected in the middle atmosphere rose to nearly 10 times the normal level. Once water reaches these extreme altitudes, solar radiation breaks it apart, allowing hydrogen to escape into space and gradually draining the planet of its remaining moisture. What makes this discovery especially interesting is that the storm occurred during the northern hemisphere's summer, a period once to be relatively unimportant for atmospheric water loss. Yet observations showed a measurable increase in hydrogen escape shortly afterward, indicating that even short-lived regional storms can trigger bursts of atmospheric water loss that can add up over billions of years. For observers and planetary scientists alike, this research highlights how Mars' transformation from a wetter world into a cold desert we see today may not have been driven only by massive global dust storms. Instead, countless smaller, intense storm events, each lasting only weeks, may have quietly stripped the planet of its atmosphere and water, one episode at a time. The red planet's history, it seems, was shaped not just by dramatic catastrophes, but also by the cumulative power of many brief but powerful storms. Link to the article there. Thanks for joining me. We'll catch you next time. I'm going to go and get ready, do my swim, and then I'm heading out observing tonight, so should get about 4 hours in. Looking forward to it because the weather next week's going to pots here. Have a great one. We'll take care. We'll catch you next time.